Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to improve your slow download speed on Telegram, simply there are some few tricks and tips you can follow which can slightly improve the download speed of your Telegram. So watch this video till the end to know about it in depth. So the first thing you can do is simply check your network connection. You can simply check that you have a stable internet connection or not. And if your internet is slow, then you can also switch it to your mobile data and try restarting your router or phone to resolve this temporary connectivity issue. So the next thing you can do is simply disable the background data usage. You can simply tap on it and tap on stop and simply tap on done, which will allow you to simply help reduce the download speed or help reduce the data uses or consumption in your device. So the other alternative is to simply tap on settings and go to your app section and simply locate your Telegram app. Once you locate your Telegram app, simply tap on that Telegram app, and once you do so, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on storage and hit the clear cache option. After doing this, it might also improve your data download speed, and this will fix slow download speed on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.